Here is the latest AEMC Instruments single and split phase power and energy logger, the PEL 52. Our most compact power and energy logger offers a wide range of measurements with excellent accuracy. It offers a simple but comprehensive solution for monitoring electrical consumption, whether in the context of energy savings or to improve a building's energy efficiency. Included with every purchase of a PEL 52 is a soft carrying bag, 2 MiniFlex MA193-10-BK sensors, 3 black test leads with alligator clips, US power cord, 1 power cord adapter, SD card, USB SD card reader, 2 AAA rechargeable batteries, quick start guide, and USB drive with DataView software and user manual. We also offer a kit with no sensors. Mechanically speaking, the PEL 52 is equipped with 2 voltage inputs and 2 current inputs located at the top of the instrument. The sides are lined with ridges designed for maximum grip even with a glove on. On the bottom, there is an elastomer SD card cover to protect your data from dust and water. Its compact, magnetized casing allows users to mount the PEL 52 inside small electrical distribution panels. The PEL 52 is powered via the V1 input voltage phase, making it ideal for measuring over long periods without having to cut off the electrical supply. It is also equipped with backup batteries that recharge from the V1 input voltage phase, preventing any data loss during short-term power outages. On the front panel, there is a backlit LCD display and control buttons for viewing measurement data, configuring the instrument, and viewing parameters. The PEL 52 offers a wide range of power and energy measurements from current, voltage, frequency, and phase shift, active power, reactive power, apparent power, and power factor, active energy of the load and source, reactive energy on all 4 quadrants, and apparent energy of the load and source. Additional measurements can be configured using the PEL control panel. For communication, it offers built-in Wi-Fi with 2 modes. Wi-Fi station mode connects the instrument to the same network as your computer through a router. Wi-Fi access point allows you to connect your computer directly to the instrument's own Wi-Fi network. There is also an integrated web server for real-time remote monitoring via web browser. Recorded data is stored on a removable SD card for easy transfer, or can be downloaded to a computer using the PEL control panel. The PEL control panel allows the user to view recorded data, view the instrument status, and configure the instrument more in depth. Additionally, our powerful DataView software allows users to view, edit, generate, and print customized reports. The all-new PEL 52 single and split phase power and energy logger, the latest advancement in our power and energy logging products. AEMC Instruments, the smart choice for electrical test and measurement instruments.